I don't know what's happening. The nipple. Feels mad to be driving it. Bollocks. Right. Oh, should we see if it starts? Let's see if it starts. Oh, smells a bit funky in here. Oh, come on. Nothing. It's dead. I mean, that is to be expected. So, bleeding brakes. This is what we're going to need. Mr. Pump, Mrs. Pump, maybe. The fluid itself. Right, so our first little challenge is, do I have the right cap? Oh yes. That is the brake fluid, isn't it? Yeah. God, that'd be embarrassing. The first bit, you take Mr. Push thing, Mr. Pumpy. I think Matt Armstrong calls him Mr. Push, so I'll call him Mr. Pump. And you fill this up to this. That'll do. So that goes on there. Now we pressurise the system and see if we get any leaks. And it is holding pressure, so that's good. Now to the rear. That's the only time where I look cool. I must find the nipple. I've located the nipple. It's there. So this little Mrs. Pump goes on there. Then I loosen this nut, crack it like that. And it all comes out. So whilst we wait, it's worth mentioning that if this is successful and we get brake pressure today, we will be able to technically drive the Panda. That's quite exciting. So it's worth waiting to the end of the video. Yeah. Boom. Come on, you bugger. Good. Bollocks. I thought it was all going too well. But I've just looked under the car and there's brake fluid pissing out. Hold on a minute. There's water. What the hell? Yeah, that's water. Has it just got loads of water in it or something? I had a mild panic there. I think it's just water. Maybe it's been raining a lot. Maybe it's just filled up some, I don't know. But it's not brake fluid. So yeah, I'll just carry on and right. I think you just press that. That releases the pressure. And you can take that off. And then you put this one on. I really hope this works, because if it doesn't, I don't really know what to do. So this, when I press this brake pedal now, it should feel firm. Yes! Yes! This is a slightly awkward bit because it's really a rather beautiful Saturday afternoon. And around where I live it's very quiet, peaceful. You can hear the birds, there's barely any wind. And I've now got to jump start a Panda with no exhaust. I'm really sorry. I don't know what's happening. Okay. That was weird. Right. I'm going to quickly drive it before I get evicted. So this is the first time that we've driven it since we took the whole back end out of it, so I'm slightly nervous. It's also got barely any fuel in it, so it may conk out. Oh my god. Feels mad to be driving it. Oh yeah, it feels good over the bumps. It's so ridiculously loud. Brakes seem to work fine. It's probably enough pootling around for one day. I think we'll leave the neighbourhood in peace. Oh no. I think it's out of fuel. It's definitely out of fuel. It's so close. Okay, so she's conked out there, which is bad. If anyone needs to come in, what I'm gonna do, I have to push it back. Luckily it doesn't weigh anything. Hello, all right, how you doing? It's going. I think it's just run out of fuel. Be quiet, will you?
Right, so still there's more work to be done on the Panda, but after a hard day I decided to make a fire. And then I decided, why not cook a steak on it? Ooh, look at that. Bit of salt, butter, swill it round, steak in, garlic, bosh. Baste the meat regularly, just as Gordon says. Obviously he has to have some. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one, like, comment, subscribe.